Check out this 1988 Jaguar XJ. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are cruise control, tilt wheel, leather, ABS, 4-wheel, AM/FM stereo, power windows, and dual power seats. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.